We just got the brand new Switchbot Air Purifier table. Let's check it out. Roll the unboxing. Alright, so like I said in the intro, today we're talking about the Switchbot Air Purifier, and we specifically have a hands-on with the air purifier with the table. Now this thing is so practical. It's an air purifier. It's a side table. It has a light on it. It even has wireless Qi charging built into it. There's a lot to talk about, so let's get into it. Now, full disclosure, Switchbot did send this over for me to review, but as always, you're going to get my honest thoughts, no holds barred, ever on this channel. Affiliate links and any discount codes I may have access to are in the description for your convenience. Before we talk about features, let's talk about who this is for. Switchbot has specifically designed this air purifier for people who have pets. Now, as you'll see in a moment, it has a ton of features for that purpose, but as someone who doesn't even have pets, it's also designed for people without pets who want to keep their environment dust and odor free. I would say the air purifier with the tabletop is for anyone who wants to add a bit of extra cleanliness in their space, but also wants a side table or has a place to add a side table. Let's talk about the features. So it claims efficient floating hair removal that removes up to 93.45% of floating pet hair, thanks to its ultra-large air inlets with a pet-specific grill, and it includes a specific filter to lock in pet hair and prevent secondary air pollution. It also has effective odor removal with pet-specific activated carbon that removes over 98% of pet odors within 30 minutes. It'll also remove cooking smells, smoke, and a lot of other odors, and purify the air of a ton of different chemicals as well. And with its pet-friendly design, the table is waterproof for pet seating. If you have cats, that's great for you. It has a detachable adapter, chew-resistant cables, and low voltage power supply, so if they chew on it, nothing bad's gonna happen to them. Now for us humans who wanna use this product, it has smart ambient lighting. The light will change colors based on the PM 2.5 levels. It has 4 colors. Blue is very good, green is good, orange is bad, and red is get out of this room. The air quality is terrible. Let me do my job. It also offers 10 preset ambient light colors. No, you're not gonna be able to choose your own color, but these colors should get you where you wanna go. Now, one of my favorite features is the built-in fragrance box for diffusing scents. We love our essential oils around here, and this will help keep it nice and smelling good. The noise level goes as low as 20 decibels, and it has matter support, which is there, but we'll talk more about that in a minute. Now, what I think is one of the most practical additions to this is the wireless charger, which is Qi protocol, a 15-watt fast charger for Android, and if you have an iPhone, it'll be a 7.5-watt fast charging for Apple devices. This is just such a practical addition. I'm very glad that they have added this many different options for you if you get the table. No matter which version you have, always remove the plastic from the filter before you start using it. I actually forgot to do this. Make sure you take the plastic off before you put the whole thing together. Now, after you remove the plastic, plug the device into power, and if you have the tabletop version, plug it into the attached cable, place it down and twist it, and it is that easy. You are all set. The app setup with Switchbot is always easy. All you do is open the app, tap add, and Switchbot's going to automatically find the table and show it at the top of the list. Of course, if this feature doesn't work for you, you can simply scroll through and find it in the list of products. And after you find it and add it, it'll walk you through the setup. Now let's talk about what I love about this thing. Design-wise, it just looks great. I mean, you're gonna be able to put it in any room. It's very clean and minimal. I do think it would be nice to have a darker color option, you know, maybe a dark wood option, but again, it's gonna fit just about anywhere you put it. So the visual cues for air quality were really nice as well. The color code made it easy for us to see when it was working and when it was clean, and the tabletop is just nice to have. It feels like a piece of furniture that you want in your room. And maybe the other device is what you're looking for. They also offer a model without the tabletop, and maybe you just want to set it in a corner or on a table and forget it. And lastly, I want to touch on the future of this product. So at CES 2025, Switchbot announced the K20 robot. It's a platform that carries things around your house. It's literally a robot that'll carry things for you, including this air purifier. So I'm excited to see how that'll work and see how usable that really is. Otherwise, the Matter support is lacking. It's there, but barely. Adding this device into Apple Home only exposes it as a single switch, meaning I could turn it on or turn it off. I would love to be able to control the light and at bare minimum, the fan speed in Apple Home, similar to how I can with other air purifiers on the market. So I hope to see that come in a future update. It's not too far-fetched to think that could happen. As far as pricing, the air purifier and purifier with table are available on the Switchbot website and on Amazon. You can get the air purifier regularly priced for $219.99, or you can get it with the table edition for $269.99. Now Switchbot does run regular sales, so if it's not on sale, check Switchbot's deal page to see what's coming up. But as always, affiliate links are in the description for your convenience, so make sure you hit that link to grab one for yourself. What do you think about this device? Is this something that you would use in your home? Would you use it as a side table? Let me know down in the comments. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the like button if this video helped you make a decision. And lastly, if you made it this far, you may as well subscribe. I have a whole lot of content coming up, including a full tour of my smart home coming out soon. So make sure you're subscribed. And before you go, here's a review of another air purifier I did recently. And here's a video that YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.